Hello, in front of me I've got GameSir Lite. In this video I'll show you how to install dedicated app for this controller. In the beginning, let's go to Microsoft Store. Now, search for GameSir Nexus and select Get. Open the app and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.